football lovers. Welcome to my family. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs jersey news. With Apollos Olsen no longer joining the squad. The famous number 7 has been handed to Tutuzi Shabalala. Shabalala now carries the legacy and expectations of this number. Can he rise to the challenge and shine for Chiefs this season? Let's hear expectations and support from producer Shawaga. If you want to know more about Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs.